Imagine a world where the moon, our faithful companion in the night sky, suddenly veers off course and hurtles towards Earth. What if this celestial collision were to become a reality? Join us on an extraordinary journey of exploration and speculation as we delve into the cataclysmic consequences of the moon crashing into Earth. The impact of the moon crashing into Earth would be nothing short of apocalyptic. The sheer force of the collision would unleash unimaginable destruction, reshaping the face of our planet and threatening all life as we know it. The collision would trigger massive earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis on a global scale. Entire continents would be ripped apart, and the very foundations of the Earth would tremble. As the moon draws closer, panic grips the world. Governments scramble to enact emergency measures, but the sheer magnitude of the disaster overwhelms all efforts to contain it. The impact unleashes a cataclysm, triggering wildfires, hurricanes, and widespread devastation across the planet. Picture a world plunged into darkness as debris from the collision obscures the sun, leading to a global winter and the collapse of ecosystems. The once thriving cities are reduced to rubble, and millions perish in the chaos that ensues. It was like the end of the world. Everything we knew was gone in an instant. We were lucky to survive, but the scars of that day will never heal. The aftermath of the collision would pose unprecedented challenges for humanity. From the environmental devastation to the loss of infrastructure and resources, rebuilding our shattered world would require immense cooperation and ingenuity. The social and psychological impact of the catastrophe cannot be overstated. Communities would be torn apart, and survivors would grapple with grief, trauma, and uncertainty. Yet, amidst we would also see acts of courage, compassion, and resilience. In the years that follow, humanity faces a new reality, a world forever changed by the collision of the moon. Yet, amidst the devastation and loss, there is also hope. From the ashes of the old world, a new one emerges, shaped by the collective resolve to rebuild and the determination to forge a brighter future. The collision served as a wake-up call for humanity, spurring unprecedented investment in space exploration and planetary defense. We've developed new technologies to monitor and mitigate the risk of future cosmic collisions, ensuring the safety and survival of our species. The collision of the moon with Earth was a sobering reminder of our interconnectedness with the cosmos and the fragility of our planet. We must come together as a global community to protect and preserve our home, safeguarding it for future generations. The collision may have left scars on it, has also forged a new resolve among its inhabitants. As we look to the future, let us remember the fragility of our world and the resilience of the human spirit. Together, we can overcome any challenge and build a brighter tomorrow.